whoever is this is someone here na may pangarap pero ginagawa ng paraan. May pangarap at gumagawa ng aksyon para ito ay matupad. Okay? So, this is someone here na may pagpaplano. Doesn't have to be nakikilos agad-agad pero may pagpaplano. Yeah, this is the start. This is a wish. Pag may wish siya, ginagawa niya. So, this could be you or this could be the person that you're dealing. Yeah, this person is a fighter. Okay, hindi to basta-basta sumusuko sa laban with the 5 of Wands energy. This is someone here na ready siya rito, no, na makipagsabayan. Okay? So, wala siyang kiber kahit may conflict or challenges, no, na humarang dito or kahit may mountains pa, no, push. Ganun. See? This could be someone here who loves sports or baka may sports siya dito na talagang favorite niya, no? Pero kasi this is a striver. Knight of Wands energy. See? This person do not mind, no? Kahit na injury siya, no? Or kahit na magalusan siya in this process of achieving his or her dreams and goals in life. Basta makuha niya yun at gumawa siya ng effort rito at wala siyang pagsisisiyan at the end of the day, push kung push. Yan. Ganyan ang fighting spirit. Diba? This could be you or this could be someone that you're dealing with. So, let's see. Siyempre, pag may pangarap, push to them. Mga lips. Okay. Okay. So, whoever is this someone here with the Ace of Pentacles energy, this is someone here who is serious about you. Okay? At meron siya ditong sinasabi. So, this could be someone here that could be in a relationship na sa'yo, baka partner mo na to, baka asawa mo to, or yung iba, pwedeng boyfriend or girlfriend nyo to, or yung iba, pwedeng kakunik nyo siya, no, in a heart space level, no, or yung iba, wala kayong label nitong person na to, but this person is someone serious about you. No? Meron siya sinasabi rito, no, na mga katangian niya na nagustuhan niya sa inyo. So, whoever this individual here popping up, nakikita ko rito na itong tao na to, no, is gustong-gusto niya at sobrang na-attract siya sa'yo rito, no. So, dinami-dami ng mga katangian na meron ka. Ang pagiging matalino mo ang nagustuhan niya. Yan, no. Pwedeng achiever ka noon pa man, no. So, pwedeng kaklase mo siya or kaibigan mo siya matagal na. Or this person right here doesn't have to be na meron kang achievement sa school or what. Okay? Kasi nakikita ko rito na kung sino man to, no, nakikita nitong tao na to, no, ina-admire niya ang pagiging matalino mo, no, na approach sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. Okay? So, this person finds you smart, intelligent, no, at magaling talaga, no, pagdating sa pagpaplano at pagdedesisyon. So, this person finds you really attractive. Actually, yun talaga yung gusto niya. Sa isang tao, sa isang individual, okay? At masaya siya, no, na ikaw ay ganun. So, ibig sabihin, no, itong tao na to, no, meron siyang mga iba pang mga nakikita sa'yo na katangian, pero sinabi ko na yun agad kasi yun yung nagsa-stand out, eh. This person finds you intelligent at gusto niya yung mga smart people. Okay? Na-attract siya ron. So, whatever the case may be, 3 of Coins energy, 4 of Coins energy, at saka ito kasi, nakikita kasi niya, no, na ikaw ay very patient. Okay? Ikaw to na talagang pinaghihirapan mo, pinag-iipunan mo talaga, no, at nilalagyan mo ng effort ang lahat ng ginagawa mo rito. May pagpaplano ka, may pagsisave ka rito, no, kunwari, gusto mong bumili ng bahay or ng kotse or ng property dito, no, ikaw to na nagpupursige ka, no, at para sa'yo, importante at mahalaga ang pagsisave dito, kahit na small amount yung na-save mo, happy ka doon with the 4 of Coins energy. Look at that. It looks like a vision board there, diba? At may sasakyan dyan. So, maaaring sasakyan, literal, no, ang inyong gustong i-manifest dito, pero it could possibly be anything, okay, that exists in the material world. Pero so, nakikita ko rito, you don't mind, no? And this person knows that. You don't mind kung maliit yung nasa-save mo, pero sa'yo, you values it a lot. And you are patient, no? Patiently waiting about this to happen. This is you enjoying here. Nag-i-enjoy ka sa life mo. Okay? You don't mind na mag-overtime. You don't mind na mag-exceed yung time mo as long as you're showing effort, as long as nagpe-pay off yung paghihirap mo rito. Yan, no? This is you pushing here to your dreams and goals in life while enjoying the moment. So, maaring nagtatrabaho ka sa media or sa music industry or something to do with your passion, no? Wherein, kung ano yung hobbies mo, yung mahal mo talaga gawin kahit walang kinalaman sa music, okay? Nakikita ko rito, no, na yun yung mga tao rito na nahagip natin ng mga energies na kung ano yung trabaho nila, mahal nila. Okay? At maganda itong senyales, no, kasi dito nakikita ng person mo na habang nagtatrabaho ka, nag-i-enjoy ka habang nakakapag-ipon ka. So kung sino man 'tong mga babes, no, kasi mix yung energies dito eh. Pwede kasing asawa niyo na to, pwedeng boyfriend and girlfriend niyo pa lamang siya, or pwedeng may connection na kayo pero wala pa kayong label, no. Pero kung sino siya, isa lang ang tinutumbok. Ace of Coins energy. Seryoso siya sa'yo, and this person is really, really proud of you. So, kung sino tong tao na to, nakikita ka niya bilang isang tao rin na mapagbigay. Okay? So, nakikita ko rito, no, na kahit may pinag-iipunan ka, may pinagsisavean ka rito, no. So, iba sa inyo, meron talaga siguro ngayong pinagpaplanuhang bilhin or may pinagpaplanuhan rito na parang makuha. Okay? Especially this year is really standing out in 2024, no, na parang meron kayong malaking urge dito na makakuha na or makapag-umpisa na kung ano man yun, no? Something to do with pinapangarap ninyo. I can see you here striving and you're moving up. Diba? There's determination, no, sa yung face, kitang-kita dito. So, nakikita ko rito, okay, that this is you building stability in your life. Yan. 3 is the symbol of stability and you're moving up. Okay? And this is because of your own effort. Ayan, no, ikaw yung mag-isang nagka-climb dito. So, ibig sabihin, this is you. Okay? This is all your hard work here. And I can see here that you're patiently waiting for the right time na makuha mo lahat ng yan. But you are making sure na talagang ginagawa mo yung buong effort mo rito, no? At nakikita ko rito mga babes, no, na nakikita kayo ng tao na to bilang mapursige, at kahit na nag-iipon kayo, no, pag nangailangan ng tulong ang isang tao, no, kahit pagdating pa sa pinansyal at kahit may pinag-iipunan kayo, you're willing to give, you're willing to lend a hand. Yun yung nakikita ko dito. Yeah. So, whoever this individual is, no, this individual also finds you gentle yet strong. Yan. Pero syempre depende, no? Alam mo yung this person finds you strong and independent, but at the same time, you're gentle. Okay? You're caring, you're very loving. Yan, no? This person is proud of you. Yeah, kahit na wala pa kayong label nito, no? Proud siya sa'yo. Para sa iba kasi wala kayong label pa nitong tao na to eh. Pero this person, sobrang humahanga siya, no? Kasi ang smart ng approach mo, ang intelligent. No? Ganda lang nakuha ko rito eh. You're gentle, you're strong, you're smart, you're intelligent. Yun na nakikita ko rito, no? Sa tao na to. It's like with the 10 of Wands energy, 8 of Coins energy. Dito wala tayong gender, no? Pero kasi dito mga babes, no, you don't mind kahit na pasanin mo pa rito, no, yung trabaho mo rito, no, na parang kunyari today ang daming gagawin, there's pressure in your work, okay? You don't mind kahit marami kang gagawin dito. Alam mo naman sa sarili mo, no, nakafocus ka dito sa goal mo. Okay, this is you focus here on your goal. Okay, just like this one. Maybe you are into gym but doesn't have to be. Pwedeng siya is into gym, pero I can see you here taking care of your body as well. Yeah, you're working hard right here, but you are making sure na naaalagaan mo rin yung sarili mo. And there's focus and discipline right here, diba? Kagaya ng mga nag-gym, diba? Effort, hindi naman agad na pagbuhat mo ng barbell na yan, makukuha mo na agad yung muscles na gusto mo. So, whatever the case may be, this person sees you. You're showing effort in whatever it is that you're doing. So, nakikita ko dito that this person finds you really, really attractive here, no? And this person is really, really happy, okay? Na nakatagpo siya talaga ng kagaya mo, okay? At wala kang kaarte-arte rito, no? Lalo na kapag gusto mong abutin dito yung mga pinapangarap mo. Yeah, this is very clear message here that someone is proud of you. Okay? Alam mo yung ang dami mo nang na-achieve siguro bata ka pa lang, no? Ikaw to na pursigido ka na, ikaw to na ginagamit mo yung mga talento at skills mo, ikaw to, no, na pwedeng meron ka nang nare-receive na award at nasasali ka lagi sa mga honorable, pero doesn't have to be na ganun for everybody. Okay? Kasi meron din kasi mga babes, no, na hindi achiever sa school noon, pero malupit talaga mag-isip, no? Alam niyo yung mga malulupit mag-isip, no? Yung mga madiskarte, tas mga magagaling magplano, tas puro plakado yung mga na isasagawa nilang pagpaplano rito. No? So, doesn't have to be na may achievement na kayo nung bata pa kayo. Pero sa iba, yes, oo. So, nakikita ko dito mga babes, no, na kung sino-sino man yung mga nakaka-resonate dito, no? Whether you already know this or not, I can see that this person right here is extremely attracted to you. Okay? Because of your intelligence, because of you being smart. Okay? This person, he or she do not mind, no, other na parang mga kakulangan na para sa kanya hindi kailangan na mayaman ka, or para sa kanya hindi kailangan na kasing ganda mo si Ivana or si Julia B, yan, no? So, or kasing gwapo mo si Jungkook or kung sino mang BTS members, no? So, nakikita ko rito that physical appearance is literally not important. Okay? But to this person actually is humahanga siya, no? Kasi you're smart and intelligent. Yan, no? Taray, very specific yun, no? Smart and intelligent ang gusto niya sa isang tao at nasa iyo yun. Okay? I repeat, doesn't have to be na meron kang achievement, pero pag nagplano ka talagang plakado. Okay? Pinag-iisipan mong mabuti ang lahat. Okay? So, nakikita niya dito na pursigido ka at hindi ka talaga tamad. At ginagamit mo talaga dito mga babes na ang iyong isip. Alam mo yung parang, for example, no, nasa edge na ng isang clip kung katrabaho mo siya, no, pero nagagawan mo pa ng paraan. Ganun. This person loves you for being madiskarte. This person finds that really, really attractive, no? Yun ang nakikita niya sa'yo. So, collective, isa na naman ang nabudol niyo. So, kung sino man itong mga babes, no? This person is really serious and proud of you. So, thank you so much, collective. Sana ngayong love and life. And yan.